When I first saw the space, it was just a complete blank slate. Everything was empty, the kitchen was white, slightly conservative, I would say, for the area, but it was a great opportunity to come in with fresh new eyes and have a great start. The concept was a boutique hotel based on what the industry he was in before, which is in an executive position for a hotel company. And that meant that I could take the idea of a boutique hotel, which is luxurious but temporary, into a home situation. That meant using a little more luxurious fabrics and textures that I didn't need to be as concerned about the traffic of a boutique hotel, but being able for him to come home and indulge like he was in a 5-star luxury suite. I think first impressions are a big deal, and the entryway, although it's small, it's a great first impression. You're faced with this amazingly large mirror that has a fish-like scale pattern. It's high gloss, it's black. I have a great high gloss black table and 2 chairs for sitting that are still very functional, but at the same time very graphic and interesting as well. Based on the fact that I kind of know how people live, he sits in the office to read his paper a lot. I had designed a little nook for him to read the paper. My client had recommended to picture him 30 years younger and much cooler than he already is. As well as, I think he's in this area because he has a massive 70-inch flat screen TV, which I don't negotiate with. That's a decision of my client, especially men. And his favorite piece of art is actually right behind me. His sister had painted that for him as a housewarming gift. Entertaining is a big thing. Having a transient lifestyle, and that makes it very easy to throw parties, have people in and out. A lot of the details that we put in this space are meant for that, so they're meant to be wide open, meant to be very communal. Having a higher top dining room table as opposed to traditional height of a dining room table is a huge thing. And having access between each area, but at the same time being all well connected, because you want to still be involved in the life of the party. If I had to choose one word for the space, it would be luxurious. It would be the idea that even little things can be luxurious. You don't have to go over budget. It just is a matter of making better decisions and strategically making those decisions in order to make you feel rich and comfortable and fun. And it can be easily integrated in a pillow, or it can be an entire ocean blue velvet sofa. Having the trust of my clients is definitely really important. That gives me the confidence and the ability to do what I think is best for the space rather than being dictated by somebody else's ideas. But ultimately, I want my clients to be happy, and he's thrilled. Men are easier to convince, I think, than women, and they're also, in some ways, probably more forgiving if there was anything potentially to go wrong. And that trust has been for the past 4 or 5 years. I do his Christmas party every year. I come back and touch up little details. So having that lifelong partnership, I think, is a great perspective and a great asset to this project.